Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel, and I thank everybody for tuning in today. It's been a while since I've made a video. Today I want to talk briefly about Newmont Mining, which is a stock that's been trading at lows it has not seen in quite some time. We can look at the dividend for Newmont Mining. We can also look at the recent price action and how this is trading at a low that it hasn't seen in almost 5 years pretty much. We can also look at the most recent chart and how it's been in a consistent downtrend. We can also look at this article right here, Newmont stock a once in a generation buy, and all the stuff, including the price of gold, which has been skyrocketing. So these are all factors that are a consideration for a stock like this. In addition, I want to talk briefly about this right here. What you see in front of you is just an example, and we talk a lot about passive income on this channel and how you can potentially generate passive income on a consistent basis. And depending on how much capital you have to work with, it's a consideration in terms of, what you're looking at in terms of how much you can potentially generate. Now, obviously, the more money you have in your portfolio, the easier it's going to be to generate, let's say, thousands of dollars on a consistent basis. And this is a perfect example. Now, if you hypothetically had 100 contracts that you're able to sell as a cash secured put strategy, right now the stock is trading at $33.88. This is for a put that's expiring on Friday. Okay, so today's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 5 days from now, this is going to expire. Now, if you're able to somehow sell 100 contracts, which is the equivalent of roughly $300,000, so you need a significant amount of capital to make this happen. But just a hypothetical example of what you could potentially be looking at. And obviously in real life, you'd want to be diversified. You'd want to be spread out across different stocks with $300,000, not just one stock. But as an example, you'll see here that we're selling to open 100 contracts or over $300,000 worth of Newmont Mining stock at the bid price of 16 cents per contract. And we're getting over $1,500 after commissions within a 5-day span. So this just shows you when you have larger amounts of capital, obviously it results in potentially significant passive income, which is why this is so exciting. Now you could also spread this out to, let's say, the next month. Okay, let's go all the way out to April 26th, which is more than a month away, and kind of see how things change. Now, the first thing you'll notice is when we go out to April 26th and we look at, let's say, the $32 strike, at 33 right now it's trading at, and we'll go for the midpoint here. You're talking over $8,000 in terms of just one cash secured put trade, which is what you're getting to buy this stock or being willing to purchase this stock at the strike price of $32 per share. So you're buying this stock at a discount over the next month up until April 26th, and you're collecting premium in the process instead of paying your broker a commission, which you are, but you're still coming out ahead with this $8,000 plus. Okay, so that's just something I wanted to go over, because in addition, you also have the potential to make dividends. And like I said, what do we talk about on this channel a lot is passive income. Speaking of that, guys, real quick, I wanted to shout out daily investment advice. I'm working on this, guys. It's only $3 per month. If you love this channel and you want to support this channel, consider signing up for $3 per month. You get access to all of our watch lists. What happens is you sign up through PayPal subscriptions, and then you get access to all of the watch lists that we are creating on a consistent basis. Now, most of the content on this website is free, but it's a lot of resources on passive income and stuff like that. So if you're interested, guys, I sincerely appreciate the support of this channel as I continue to grow. But with that said, let's get back into it. And one thing I like about Newmont is not only the fact that the price has been going down substantially, which is obviously good if you're a long-term shareholder, but also, I mean, you look at an article like this, you can read stuff, Newmont stock once in a generation buy, and there's a lot of different opinions out there. Always do your own research, but you look at the price of gold, it's trading at over $2,100 per ounce, which is an all-time high, and gold prices have been doing very well. And I think we're going to start seeing that in terms of Newmont's earnings. And this is an international gold stock that's been trading for quite some time. Very large company. And you'll see over the long run, this stock does have a tendency to bounce back, and it hasn't seen these levels almost in 5 years. So $32 per share roughly right now, 33. And I honestly thought this stock would recover more by now. But there's been a lot going on recently with this company, including a dividend cut. So that's always a consideration as they try to manage their cash flows and stuff. But I just wanted to touch on this stock briefly, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this is informative for you. There's all these different opportunities in the market to generate passive income. This is a dividend stock that I've liked for a while, especially that it's trading at such a discount. So with that being said, guys, thanks so much for tuning in. God bless, and we will see you in the next video. Take care.